cellists, welcome back to part 2 of cello audition requirements for Spokane Youth Sinfonietta. In this video, I'll be demonstrating Dotzauer Etude number 6, opus 120. That was a lot of notes. Okay, so let me give you some tips on how we can make this Dotzauer Etude a little bit better. So first of all, we want to practice this etude a little bit slower. So on a metronome, maybe quarter note equals 92. So we take some time to look at all the shifts and all the string crossings, right? So if you look at the first line on measure 15, we actually need to shift to second position, and then we need to use extension, 1x4. So that's the first hard shift. Then moving on, we're still on the first line, but now we're on the last measure of the first line. We actually need to shift to third position rather quickly, and that's a really hard one. Okay, and then if moving down to line 2 on the last measure, we need to shift to fourth position there. So if we actually take some time and study all the different positions we need to shift to, then when we play this etude, it will be more smooth. Another thing we should pay attention to is the dynamics that's printed on this page. We start out mezzo forte and we stay mezzo forte for a really long time. We actually don't need to crescendo until the very end of measure 21 throughout 22 into 33, arriving to forte. Then we stay on forte for a really long time until the last 2 measures. So if we can do all of that, we'll be in a good place. So let's try to play this etude with a metronome. Quarter note equals 92. Da, 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 da. Maybe it's still a little bit fast. Let's slow it down a little bit. Let's try 80. Quarter note equals 80. And we're trying to get all the shifts, and we're trying to get the dynamics. 1, 2. How did that go? If you need to practice with that speed again, just go ahead and hit rewind and play it a couple more times. Now I'm going to push the metronome a little bit faster to quarter note equals 92 and try that again. One, two. Was that all right? So, I think if we can get all the way to 112, quarter note equals 112 for this etude, we're in pretty good shape. So maybe let's try that. You don't have to go there right now, but just take your time to get to 112. 1, 2. want to say something. For your audition, if you don't feel comfortable going all the way to quarter note equals 1/12, you don't have to. The most important thing is that you play comfortably and confidently. So you can definitely choose a slower tempo, for example, quarter note equals 80 or something. And if you do a really good job there, I'm sure you'll be sounding really good. So good luck to all of you, and see you at the symphony. Bye.